Welcome to day 9 of my 0 to 10K Amazon advertising challenge. I'm excited to be here. We made it through the 1 week threshold, and today let's get started. So let's log on to my KDP account and let's see what pops up. All right, reports, and still no sales, but that's all right. We are at $36. It's okay. Let's go on to the marketing side now. All right. Oh, we're getting some foot traffic now. Okay. We're up. We're moving up. Okay. 2,700. We spent maybe like $2, which isn't bad. So let's see which ads are performing. Oh, this one right here, the manual journal. So this is one that I set up yesterday. Let's see. Yeah. So I set up this one yesterday. 69 cents. That's not bad. And I think this one moved up a bit. This one, I'm not too sure, but yeah, 69 cents. Okay, so we got a bit of movement, so we're gonna go through these ones here and change them. I've been doing a lot of research on keywords and creating titles. It's slowly starting to make sense now. I find that, or for me, what works personally is learn the information, let it digest, kind of like how you eat food. It's like let it just get into your body and then let your body absorb it. So let your mind absorb it before you move on. For me, what I was trying to do the last couple of days was learn it and then apply it. But it was like it was too much for my brain to handle. And last night, I don't know what came over me, but I was like, I get it now. So it's like now, today I'm going to apply everything that I learned so that I can create some more books to put onto my Amazon account. So I have a few low content ideas plus regular books for me to publish. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I also learned about another platform where I can create covers or create art for my covers, so I'm excited about that as well. I can't wait to share with you guys the new book covers or the titles that I'm coming out with. A lot of things are coming within the next, let's call it 21 days. Yeah. So let's see here. So here, A cost is still high. Well, this is from the previous one, so hopefully we can start to bring this down. So a 194 A cost. So the lower we can bring that, the better. So campaign settings, we're at 32. Let's go to 35 cents. Also, another thing that I wanted to mention to you guys, this book here called Do It Today. This is helping me a lot with procrastination and just getting things done. For me, I always say, yeah, I'm gonna do it. And then I don't end up doing things, or I just move it off to the next day. And it's not helping me in my journey. So this book here is kind of just calling it out like how it is and things that you need to do. It's also giving me an idea for a journal to do. So look out for that coming soon as well. So this one, the kids book now. So no movement there. So let's change that up. So we're gonna go to 35 cents. Moving up the ladder. Right. I'm excited. Try to get at least 3-4 more books out in the next couple of days. Change up the keywords. And hopefully they'll start coming in. Try to hit that $10,000 mark. And remember, guys, it's not always about hitting that end goal, but enjoying the journey trying to achieve that goal. Because that's where you're going to create the most memories for yourself and figure out what worked from what didn't work. Because now, if I just hit the 10,000 in one day and didn't learn anything, how am I going to be able to replicate that formula and do it again? It's in the journey that you learn the lessons. So make sure that you're documenting everything and you're just going step by step, ensuring that everything is done correctly. Okay, so that one's done. Let's see, so that one, 2, 3, 4, so that one. So I got one impression. I think this is a new one I set up. Yeah, this is the new one I set up. So let's see. Alright, so we got one impression on this bad boy. The channels are up. Let's change this. Let's go to 35 cents. We'll keep it around the same as the other ones. Alright. So let's take a quick look at like what the manual one looks like. And we can see exactly which word actually got us those impressions. 69 cents, so not bad. So we gotta drill down into it. So is this journal here. About that. So where do we want to hit? So I spent 69 cents. And that's it. Doesn't tell me anything more. Oh, targeting. Let's go to targeting. Okay, so not enough data yet. So here's where the money was spent. So once one of the search terms have been clicked, it puts it in this area here, and then you can see how much you spent. So here, target bid is 85 cents, but I spent 40 cents on this. No orders, no sales. And this one I spent 29 cents. So it's like, okay, people are seeing me in this, which is good. So we got a bit of movement, some clickers. Let's go over to the Canada side. Let's increase that over there. Canada is a tough market. Oh wow! Finally, we went from 8 to 2. Okay, so not bad. Let's increase the budget a bit. Hopefully, we start seeing some Canadians coming in. I'm thinking of doing the UK market as well, just to grab more territory. So let's see here. $0.35. If you guys are finding these videos helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, if you do have any tips or tricks, share them in the comments below, and I will apply or try to apply what your strategy or tip is. Yeah. Group settings. Let's go to 30. So we're at 30 now. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up today. I'm going to change some keywords around and hopefully we start seeing some traction coming, you know. The impressions, higher impressions for the Canadian side. See some more clicks come in on the US side to give us a list of words that are actually working, and then we can increase the budget on those words to help drive sales. Again, if you're finding these videos helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, I linked another video for you to watch next on how to make money with no money. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 10.